Let's get to the point. Naging emotional ako visiting the very first Starbucks in the Philippines. Ito yung Starbucks 6750 sa Makati. I super love this column filled with photos of baristas through the years. By the way, hindi madaling maging barista ha. We take photos of drinks for a few seconds, pero grabe ang oras and pagod to make the drinks that we are taking a selfie with. During this visit, I tried one item and meron akong 2 suggestions for this store. And let's be honest, this is not a sponsored post. I paid for my order. By the way, mabait and magaling ang staff during this visit. Puro ako kape today, so I just ordered their sausage flatbread, 135 pesos. Na by the way, one of the most sulit sa menu ng Starbucks yan. Busog ka na, below 150 pesos pa ang price. Mas nakakabusog ito than their 4-cheese flatbread kasi may meat ito. Pero gusto ko rin yung lasa nun. Delicious ito pero I wish may crispiness pang ilalim. Pero I need to be fair. Fair I cannot expect it from a fast-paced cafe and feeling ko hindi kaya ng oven nila. Next time, itry ko sigurong ipa-double warm ito. Worried lang ako na baka tumigas masyado. Starbucks 6750 has 2 floors. Medyo masikip yung lower floor, maluwang yung second floor. And it still has the warm ambiance of the usual Starbucks. I love the flavors written on each step sa stairs. Ang 2 suggestions ko for this branch ay, number 1, I love na may traditional fabric sila sa walls ng second floor. Pero I wish they made them larger and more vertical kasi bitin ang size in proportion to their walls. Number 2, baka mali ako pero parang wala akong nakitang merchandise saying na ito ang first Starbucks branch in the Philippines. Kung taga Starbucks kayo and from this branch, paki-correct na lang ako please kung meron naman. Feeling ko kasi this place deserves to be a destination with special merchandise. Kahit a simple mug lang na nakalagay first Starbucks in the Philippines. Pero other than that, I continue to have a soft spot for Starbucks kasi I can trace my own growth as a person sa growth ng Starbucks. I remember yung fresh grad pa lang ako, being intimidated sa first visit ko sa Starbucks. Kasi parang ang social and hindi pa ako marunong mag-order. So baka mapahiya ako and hindi rin ako sure kung anong ibig sabihin ng Frappuccino at ng grande size. And buti na lang mabait ang mga staff ng lahat ng Starbucks branches na napuntahan ko. And ito rin ang feeling ko key to success ni Starbucks. Very friendly and inviting ang team and ambiance nila. Click follow for the next story.